Hi students, how are you all? I think everyone safe at home. Okay, today in this class we are going to see the second lesson, water. We are going to see today about the lesson water. W-A-T-E or water. So we are going to see about water. See, this glass contain water, no? Can you know this one? Yeah, this is water. This is water. So without water, it is not possible to live in the life, no? It is not possible to live in the life without water. So can you know anyone? What are the purpose of water? Yes, we are using this water for so many purpose. For drinking we are using, for cooking, for washing, for bathing, and for watering the plant. So for so many purpose we are using this water. So without water it is not possible to live in the world. Okay, see here. So everyone like the rain, no? Everyone like the rain. Everyone like to play in the rain, no? I think everyone know the rain song. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. I think everyone know this song about the rain. See, now it is raining timing, no? Daily we are seeing the rain outside. Yes, is it correct? Okay, so listen, we can see how we are getting the rain. See, water collected in the sea and pond and river also water is having, no? So from the sea and from the pond and from the river, by the sun it is getting evaporated. It is getting, see here the picture, it is getting evaporated, the water from sea, pond and river, and get collected as cloud in the sky. Okay, so from the water it is getting evaporated and collected in the sky as clouds. See the clouds in the sky here, clouds are there, no? C-L-O-U-D, cloud. After it is coming down like a rain. So rain is the main source of water. From the rain only we are getting most of the water, no? So rain is the main source of water. R A I N, rain. R A I N, rain. Rain is the main source of water. So we are using the water for so many purpose. We are using the water for so many purpose. For drinking, for cooking, for bathing, and for so many purpose we are using the water. So it is very, very important for our life. Without water it is not possible to live in the life, no? Yes, good everyone. Shall we go to next page? Yes. See here. See now how we are getting the water from the glaciers. Okay, see the glacier picture. Glacier. Glacier is a slow moving block of ice. What is meant by glacier means? Glacier means it is slow moving block of ice. See the ice pictures, ice. See, when it is moved, it is moving, it is slowly moving. It is known as glacier. G-L-A-C-I-E or glacier. G-L-A-C-I-E or glacier. Glacier is a slow moving block of ice. See here, so many big ice are there, no? How we are seeing in that ice cube in that fridge, no? Like this, having so many. It is slow moving block of ice. Okay, after thing get melted. I flow from the glacier when the weather becomes warm. So it get melted. The glacier was getting melted when the weather becomes warm. Next one, we are going to see about the stream. Stream means what? நீரோடை சொல்வாங்க இல்லையா? Stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. So from the glacier, many of us join together to form small stream. See here. This is known as stream. நீரோடை, no? Yes. Next one, river. Next one, river. R-I-V-E-R. River, that is known as R னு சொல்வாங்க இல்லையா? So many mountain streams join together to form a river. So many streams join together to form the river. Next one is waterfall. Sometimes rivers or streams. This one known as stream. This one known as stream. This is known as river. Sometimes rivers and streams flow down as waterfall. See here, from the mountain water is coming down, no? That is known as waterfall. For example, Kutralam, that and all, you know, though, that is known as waterfall. Sometimes rivers and streams, no? That one flow down as waterfalls. From the mountain it is coming, no? It is looking nice to see. That is known as waterfalls. W-A-T-E-R. Waterfall. F-A-L-L. Fall. Waterfall. This is also river. Last one is a sea. Beach, you know, sea. That contains salty water. Sea. S-E-A-C. S-E-A-C. As a river, continue its journey across forest, village and cities. At last, it reaches where? Sea. Okay. So this farmers are using this one, and people is also using this one for drinking, cooking, and so many purpose. I told you like that. We are using the water for so many purpose. At last, river reaches the sea. At last, river, after so many journey, going across forest, village and cities, at last the river reached the sea. Okay. So farmers using the river water for farming, and we are using the water for, people are using the water for drinking, cooking, and for so many purpose we are using the water. So today in this class we have learnt about what is known as glacier. Glacier means slow moving. It is a slow moving block of ice. After it is getting melted. It is getting melted when the weather become warm. After, from the glacier, see, many of us join together to form small stream. See here, it is coming like stream. After, mountain streams join together to form river. After, sometimes the streams and river and all flow down as waterfalls. From the mountain it is coming water, river water and stream water, like waterfalls. At last the river reached the sea. So we are using the water for so many purpose. So the topic of the lesson today, we have learnt about the water. Thank you students. Bye. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye everyone.